I am Dr. Surjit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Myself, Dr. Surjit Ghosh from channel Dr. Ghosh Presents. You know, I am doing for last more than 1 year videos on homeopathy. There are 4 different playlists. Homeopathic therapeutics in Bangla, homeopathic therapeutics in English, homeopathic remedy picture in Bangla, homeopathic remedy picture in English. Now actually what I want to say is that you will get about 12 to 1300 videos on this subject. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Ledum Pol. Full name Ledum PALUSTRE. Short name Ledum. Common name Marsh tree, source, plant, vegetable world. Pathogenesis of Ledum. Ledum retards capillary circulation on skin and at the extremities, resulting coldness of surface. It affects fibrous tissues and joints, producing nodosities, gout stone, etc. Constitution of Ledum. Physical makeup. Specially adapted to full-blooded, plethoric, robust or pale, delicate patients. Hot or cold, very chilly patient, Miasm, Psora and Syphilis, Diathesis, Rheumatic. On the right hand side, a picture of this herb, Marsh tree, is shown. Mental journals of Ledum. Angry, out of humor. Dissatisfied, hate fellow beings, avoid company. Physical journals of Ledum. Ledum affects fibrous tissues, tendons, small joints like wrist, ankles and skin. Rheumatism begins in the feet and travels upward. Affected part becomes purple, puffy, then emaciate. Hemorrhages of bright, frothy blood, bright or frothy blood, dropsy, petechi. Petechi means fine drops of bleeding under skin. Patients are chilly, affected parts painful, cold, edematous, weak, numb, yet averse to external warmth. Lack of vital heat in systems. Tetanus, twitching of muscles for wounds. Twitching of muscles near wounds. Bad effects of alcohol, hair cutting, suppressed discharges, punctured wound, recent or chronic injuries, bites of dog, cats, other animals, stings of insect, bruises, etc. If Ledum is given immediately after punctured wound, it prevents tetanus. Hypericum is given when tetanus develops. It is development before. Eruption, burn like stings of insects or bites of animals. Emaciation of affected parts after infection of injuries, especially nerves. Swelling of feet up to knees with unbearable pain when walking. Ball of great toe, swollen and painful. Modalities of Ledum. Words, warmth of cover, stove, air. That is everything warm. Warmth of stove, warm air, etc. Injury, motion of joints, night, wine, egg, spitting. Better from cold, bathing, air, reposing, ice cold water. Head symptoms of Ledum. Raging, pulsating headache. Worse from least covers, better from uncovering. Blood boils on forehead. Misstep causes concussion in brain. Eye symptoms of Ledum. Bloodshot or bruised eyes. Tears acrid, make lower lids and cheek sore. Hemorrhage in the anterior chamber of the eye after iridectomy. This is anterior chamber of eye. Iridectomy has been done and there is bleeding. Now anterior chamber actually lies in front of lens and behind iris. Eye has got 2 chambers, anterior chamber, posterior chamber. Posterior chamber means the chamber behind the lens, anterior in front of lens. Ptosis of right eye after injury. Ear symptoms of Ledum. Hardness of hearing as if ears were stuffed with cotton. Worse from cutting hair, wetting head. Nose symptoms of Ledum. Persisting nose bleeding, epistaxis. Soreness of the nose with violent burning. Face symptoms of Ledum. Mottled, red pimples on forehead and cheeks. Stinging when touched. Submental glands. Submental means actually submandibular, this gland. Submandibular gland is also known as submental gland. Swollen, crusty eruption around nose and mouth. Mouth symptoms of ledum: bitter taste in mouth, mildly when coughing, sudden flow of watery saliva during colic. Stomach symptoms: nausea on spitting. Abdomen symptoms: ledum, anal fissure. This is anal fissure. Blind smarting of piles. Blind smarting means the piles which are not bleeding but smarts. Burning sensation, these are blind piles. Urinary symptoms of ledum: urine with high uric acid and sand in urine. Urine often stops during flow. Copious, clear, colorless urine. Male symptoms of ledum: pollutions of sanguineous or serous semen. Female symptoms of ledum: bleeding fibroids. Great coldness during menses, yet deserts cold air. Respiratory symptoms of ledum: tormenting cough from tickling in larynx with epistaxis. Sobbing respiration worse from receding eruptions. Double inspiration. Hemoptysis alternating with rheumatism or coxalgia. Coxalgia is hip pain. Yellow or purulent sputum. Chest hurts when touched. Neck and back symptoms of ledum: back stiff, cramps in neck and back. Worse when rising from sitting position. Lumbago. Extremity symptom of ledum: cramps over hip joint. Legs and feet swollen, blotchy, ecchymotic. This is the picture on the right hand side. This is the picture. Heel sore, soles painful, can hardly step on them. Easy sprain of ankles. Trembling of hands when grasping something. Dorsum of feet, this is dorsum of feet. Dorsum of feet itch by night and stiff in AM. Balls of great toe swollen. Pain in shoulder on raising arms. Feet held to soil as by a magnet when attempting to move. Skin symptoms of ledum: punctured wounds, twitches in wounds, wounds from nails, stings, purged from wounds, foul, eruption only on covered parts, swelling edematous, red spots and rash on skin. Fever symptoms of ledum: coldness of parts with pain, more felt in limbs, limb as if in cold water, sweat, foul, profuse night sweat. Related medicines: arnica, bryonia, rustux and sickle.